Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. My quick tip today is about the brand new 2018 annual Stampin' Up! Catalog. The 241 pages in this beautiful book are not only filled with amazing samples, but there's a lot of products. And if you're like me, you may be going back to certain pages over and over again. For instance, the pages on dies or embossing folders, and have difficulty remembering what pages they're on. So I used these. These are actually Post-it note tabs. Now I've got a package here to show you. I actually purchased these at a big box store. They weren't very expensive, but the great thing is you can actually use a fine tip Sharpie marker, which is what I've done here, to label the different sections of your catalog, and I'll go over those with you. You can pull them off one at a time, and the great thing is you're able to line them up page by page. So as you can see here, I wrote the name on the tab and then I lined it up, and then I did the same thing for the next page I wanted to delineate, and I just staggered them all the way down through the end of my catalog. Now when I got to the very end and I needed more room, I just started back at the top. The great thing about these Post-it note tabs is that they do come in a variety of colors, so I was able to stagger the colors as I needed them, which made it a lot easier to reference. You can see these have square edges and these have actually rounded edges, so you can choose whichever one you prefer. These tabs measure 1 by 1 3/4, and the great thing is if for any reason you need to actually pull this up off of the page and reposition it, you can do that easily without it marring the paper. Now quite a few people prefer to have their catalog spiral bound. I don't, but if you do, you can take it over to any office supply store. Make sure that they're not cutting off the binding too far in, simply because of the section in the back. You can see here that there's a very small margin here, as well as there is here for the index. So you want to make sure that your spiral binding doesn't impede in on those numbers. This little tip is going to make referencing the pages that you visit most often easy for you to find. If you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and you would like a complimentary copy of the catalog and are interested in ordering products, by all means leave me a comment below. I would be happy to send you one. Thanks for joining me. I look forward to seeing you next time for another quick tip. Have a great day.